welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making some slow cooker chicken. My ultimate goal is to make chicken and dressing, and I'm going to use that chicken to go in my dressing. But this video is just about how to make the slow cooker chicken. So I'm going to get everything ready, and guess what I need you to do? That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. I've already cleaned off my chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken breast, but I'm gonna just season it with some black pepper. You know me, I like a lot of seasoning on my food, so especially pepper. Then I'm going to add some ground sage because it's going in dressing, and you know, sage goes in dressing, so we're going to season our chicken with that as well. And next I'm going to just add some garlic salt. And that's it. I'm going to put the lid on this and just let this cook for about 3 hours, and then I'll be back. So as you can see, it just falls apart. It's so tender. So I'm gonna take it and shred it up and put it in my dressing. But this is what I wanted to show you, how to cook slow cooker chicken. And it's done. Look at that. And you can put it in whatever you want. You can take it, shred it up, put it in chicken salad. You can put barbecue sauce on it and just have, it's something like, sloppy joe or pulled pork. I take those, shred all of those up, put them in with barbecue sauce. And then the juice from down here, see, it made its own juice. I didn't have to put any water in there or anything. I'm gonna take that, and that's what I'm gonna cook my vegetables in for my dressing.